So as you can see, I've got the battery plugged in over there, and I've got a green light on the output, but that's not because this battery is charging. That's because I've got output switched on from the program here. If I say power off, you can see output is off there, so this battery is not outputting any voltage at all. Reason being, the cells are too low. So I don't think it's even reading without, yeah, it's reading now, but at first it wasn't even reading without me powering it on. The cells are too low, 2.3, 2.6 and 2.6 volts. So the health is still on 66%, and for some reason it's saying it's got 1% capacity, but there's no way it's got 1% when it's less than 3 volts there. So what I'll do is I will charge it up first. Yeah, there we go. I'll say start charging, and it should start charging now. There we go. We're drawing a negative amount of current. I don't know why. It will probably change upward. Instead of charging, it's discharging. Okay, now it should. There, now it's charging. There you can see the graph is ramping up, and we're drawing 209, 202, 214. So it will start drawing small amounts of current. But once the cells hit 3 volts, it will jump up. It will get to like 1 amps, 2 amps, and so on. So right now I'd set it to maximum charge at 3 amps because there's a battery I was working in, and it wouldn't charge at 2 amps. So once it hit 2 amps, it would stop charging, and that battery wanted to draw a lot of current because it was completely flat. So that's why I had to ramp it up to 3. I'm just hoping that this comes to 3 volts without taking too much time, so that I can show you the current increasing there. It's got 29.54, 29.6. I don't think it will take more than a minute because we've got 2.97 now. Once it gets to like 3,000 on these 2 cells, yeah, you will see the current jumping up, because now that's the reason why your battery cannot charge on a laptop if it's less than 3 volts on all the cells. If 8 of the cells goes less than 3 volts, the laptop cannot charge the battery. So you can see this is now on 3,000. This is still on. The current was still low. Now it's gonna start increasing, as you can see. There we go, 300. It's now increasing like rapidly, 400. So it's now, as you can see, even the graph has started going up now. So that's what I always try to explain to people, like if your cells are less than 3 volts, the laptop will not be able to charge that battery. Even if it's a new battery, fresh or whatever, it will not be able to charge it. Only if the cells hit 3 volts here, then it will start working. It will start charging that battery. So you can see now we're almost at 1 amp. 1 amp now, still increasing. It will get to like 2 or 3 amps depending on the battery, maximum current of the battery. So I'll leave it to do that. I'm hoping that I can charge it up to maybe 20%, then I can test this motherboard if it's working. If this motherboard is working, then I can work on this charging port. If the motherboard is not working, I'm not continuing on this. There's no need for me to waste my time.